G'day of yours. I like to play bass all day. Scored this woofer today. I was just chucking some stuff in the bin at work. I thought, well, I got the E-way instead of the stuff that I started to skip. So I took the valuables, the circuit boards, and there's a Panasonic surround sound, just the woofer itself, nothing else was in the bin. Just a self-powered woofer with the amplifier and everything in it for 5-point surround sound. I took the board out of that and this driver, the woofer. Nice driver. Good test. And that little lamp. Nice driver, very nice quality. Big magnet and shielded. Made in Malaysia. Panasonic did make nice drivers, so good keeper. I also got an old Italian-made electric organ or piano, but that's all. I took the goodies out of that. It's just a circuit board with microprocessors on it with all the keys. They were too interesting, but I kept the power transformer. A nice speaker out of that, which got to replace the terminal strip on because it was damaged, so I can fix that. I'll have a look at that speaker. Got that speaker, nice 6x9, I think it's a 7x10 speaker. Nice vintage speaker that is. Only had one in there, being an organ. That, and I kept the power supply board. It wasn't a big amplifier board, and it was only a small job, nothing too fancy. Pretty common off-the-shelf components it had. They weren't too interesting, so I let that go. Yeah, just made the power transformer on the speaker and the power cord I kept out of that organ. Transformer was a nice one, so I think it's somewhere between 24 and 36 volts or something. It's on its secondary output. Nice vintage transformer made in Italy, so I kept all that. But another thing I want to show, main thing I'm doing a video, this, I don't know, there's something I want to sound on this. I can't track it down, it's not a driver issue, I don't know what it is. I've tried everything. Not a driver issue, not my speakers. That's what it sounds like. It's all croaky and distorted. I tried everything. Checking drivers, reinstalling, I tried all sorts of speakers and all sorts of amplifiers and all sorts of sounds plugging into that thing. I tried all sorts of the ports, turning the microphone and everything, all the other settings off, and nothing changes it. Nice NCS. See, it's distorted. I don't know why this PC does that all of a sudden. Listen carefully. You see distortion in the background. Now if I go to my settings, my Realtek settings, I've tried everything in that. Nothing changes. Croaky and distorted. I don't know why, but I've tried everything. That doesn't change nothing. Back again. That distortion has a lot of noise in it too. If I plug the amplifier in it, you hear just a lot of noise. I plug this amplifier in it and you hear it. This can amplify it better, you can actually hear what it's doing. There we go, I'll amplify that. Now it's been amplified. Hear that noise? I get a lot of noise. The only thing I can track it down to is hardware. A nice good new motherboard all of a sudden is doing that. Now, could be my power supply, but this power supply really kept it out of my other main gaming rig. It was fine in that. Could be my power supply, maybe, but it was working fine on the other PC. Try and play the Windows sound. Nothing, you can't hear it. Can't hear nothing. So I could try the, where's a test sound? I'll show you a test sound. Not very loud and it's distorted. I think I could put it down to as my motherboard. Or possibly the power supply. Maybe the power supply. Maybe I'm going to replace more caps in it. Maybe it's the power supply doing that. Making more noise from the switching mode side coming through. But you'd think there'd be good filtering and suppression on the motherboard to stop that. pretty noisy. There's nothing else but my PC doing that. It's not drivers, as I said, drivers and equalisers, everything's defaulted. I've got no microphone or anything turned on, so I don't know what is going on. I don't know what's going on. I thought I better put it down to its hardware doing that noise. I don't think it's a motherboard, but it's not even that old. It's quite a recent board. Only an E-board doing that. I want to try something. The UPS is what it tries to turn the UPS off the mains. Running off the UPS only. Nothing changes. Unplugged. Nothing from the grid. Still noise, no change. Definitely a hardware issue on the motherboard. Nothing's changing on that. 98% available, plugged in charging. That sound is annoying. How do I remedy that? Guess I probably could change a power supply out, or just recap that power supply completely. Even if the caps, either they're in it or they haven't changed, they looked alright, so I didn't change them. But maybe they are going bad, because I only changed the capacitors in that power supply on the standby and 5 volt rail, because I remember I did a video on it ages ago when that power supply was on the other main PC. It couldn't turn on. It would turn on for a second and shut back down, so that's I replaced the capacitors responsible for that. And now it's working again, but maybe more capacitors have to be changed. It might be you're just giving up the ghost, getting old. Maybe you should just change all the capacitors in that power supply. Possibly, it's possible. Because the computer just works flawlessly, nothing else goes wrong with it. It's just the sound is the only thing that this PC is doing. The issue is that sound. The only thing. So, and everyone else got any suggestions other than being drivers or microphone inputs or anything like that, which I said again, I've checked all that, they're fine. So I'm 90% sure it's a power supply issue doing this. Poor filtering on the power supply, it's got to be. Anyway, leave your suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching.